Welcome back, students. In this tutorial, we'll see how to find out association rules for your dataset. So you have to open Weka, go to the Explorer tab. Here, select your dataset. I'm selecting the default dataset from the Weka side. So let's say that I'm selecting a dataset, let's say, a nominal dataset, weather.nominal ARF. Let's open it. Okay. Once I open it, I have to go to the tab Associate over here, and for which you will see that the default algorithm is Apriori algorithm. You have filtered associator available also. Let's say we are going for Apriori algorithm. You can get more information for the Apriori algorithm and you can set the values over here. I am right now going for the default values. Okay, so let's say start. So after applying Apriori algorithm, you will see that the results are provided in this window. This is trying to tell me that the minimum support is 2 instances. That indicates that all the instances having the support, minimum support as 2 would be selected in further levels. The confidence is 0.9 and the number of cycles of the scan they have performed is 17. They have also provided how many large item sets they have generated every time. So this is L1, L2, L3 and L4. This is trying to tell me that there are 12 items in one item set. There are total 47 combinations possible for two item sets and which are following the minimum support criteria. There were 39 in 3 item set and there were 6 in 4 item sets. So they have generated best rules for us. So the first rule that we have got is outlook is equal to overcast and 4. This indicates the support for this value implies play is equal to yes. That is the support for this is also 4 and that's why we have the confidence is equal to 1. We can open this data set if you want to and you can check it. So it's in C drive, program files, Weka, data. We have gone for weather nominal. So I'm opening this to cross check the things. Okay, so let's cross check the results that we have got using Weka. So this says that the support for outlook is equal to overcast is 4 and play is equal to yes is equal to 4. So let's cross check. So we can see that these are the 5 attributes that we have. Outlook, the possible values are sunny, overcast and rainy. Right now we are interested into outlook is equal to overcast. So the first attribute where we are getting the value overcast, you can count the support 1, 2, 3. I'm sorry, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and similarly we are interested into class level pay is equal to yes. So wherever outlook is equal to overcast, you can check the class attribute play should be yes. So it's one first combination that we are getting over here, second combination, third and fourth. Okay, that's what we are getting over here. So this is how you can generate association rules using Weka. Thank you for the tutorial.